ईरान के सदर डॉक्टर मसूद पज़ेश्कियान को पाकिस्तान कॉलेज ऑफ फिजिशियंस एंड सर्जन्स की जानिब से एजाज़ी फेलोशिप दिए जाने की तकरीब मनाज़िर आप इस वक्त डॉन न्यूज़ की स्क्रीन पर देख सकते हैं।
Ladies and gentlemen, College of Physicians and Surgeons of Pakistan awards honorary fellowships to the world-renowned scholars in recognition of their outstanding academic contributions. In this regard, I will invite His Excellency Dr. Masood Pezeshkian, President of the Islamic Republic of Iran, to please come over for the conferment of the fellowship.
By virtue of the powers vested in me as President of the College of Physicians and Surgeons Pakistan, I admit you to the fellowship of the College of Physicians and Surgeons Pakistan, and in token thereof, I present to you the diploma and authorize you to wear the robes ordained as the insignia of this diploma.
In recognition of his distinguished services to the medicine, medical education, public health and national leadership, the College of Physicians and Surgeons Pakistan is proud to confer upon His Excellency Dr. Masood Pezeshkian the honorary fellowship of College of Physicians and Surgeons Pakistan.
I request the President of the College, Professor Muhammad Shoaib Shafi, to award the diploma of the College to our distinguished guest, and this is a fellowship of the College of Physicians and Surgeons of Pakistan.
ईरानी सदर को पाकिस्तान कॉलेज ऑफ फिजिशियन एंड सर्जन की जानिब से एजाज़ी फेलोशिप देने की तकरीब। इस मौके पर आप देख सकते हैं कि आला वफ़द जो है वो काबीना का यहाँ पर मौजूद है।